Welcome to RiderCool.com. In this video, we'll talk about how to create priority using Jira REST API. Let's consider you're working on any projects where you have to create too many priorities. Rather than creating with UI, you can follow the REST API approach where this will be created very quickly because here the manual process or the UI process, when we are creating through UI, you can see here you have to define the name, descriptions, icon URL, and priority. At any point of time, if administrator is missing any single value, that will create a challenge for the team member. So for even quicker and error-free creations, we can use REST API. Without accessing Jira instance, we can create it very quickly. I will show you how you can create priority through REST API in cloud instance. To start with this, we need to have two important things. First is the admin privileges, where you can read, write, and execute any JSON commands. Second will be we need to have authorizations. So as of now, I'm using this Postman where you have to define the endpoints. How you will get the endpoint? Straight away copy this domain name from here and paste it to this search box. After that, write REST API and the version of the API, and finally priority. Once you are done writing this priority fields, we are good to go ahead as a point of endpoints. It means our endpoints is ready. Next is authentications. Here, as of now, I'm using basic authentications where I've already configured username and password. So in this scenario, basic authentications will need API token. How we can create it? I've already covered in my initial videos. If you wanted to learn how we can create API token and configure this, feel free to refer my initial video of REST API, where you will get to know how we can configure and create API tokens. Once this authentication is established, you can navigate it to the body sections, and from there, you can first call and see or extract the informations of priority and see if it is working or not. Click on send and you can see all these priority fields which is present under our Jira instance is available here. You can see highest, blocker, then we have other fields like medium, high, all those fields available. Now, once I will go back here, I can see blocker, highest, high, medium, low, and lowest. If I wanted to add a new field, I have to select post method from postman. So here is my post method and select raw, and the parameters which we are going to define here is JSON format. That's the reason I changed to JSON. Now to create the parameter here, I have to add some fields. Some fields, it means exactly same fields which is available here. So name, descriptions, URL, and priority color. If you are not adding these fields, you won't be able to proceed further. At least these three fields will be required wherever it's marked with star. It means these are the required fields. If we will not add the description, then also it's fine. But whenever you're creating with this, we need to have these four fields available. So let's go ahead with this. Add name, that is a field name, add colon, and add the name of the fields. Here I wanted to create critical is the priority name. Whenever you are adding any fields and the value, make sure to add in double quotes. Post that will add semicolon and will add description. So description is done. Here we'll add REST API, will add semicolon. Next will be icon color, icon URL in double quotes, and here we'll specify icon URL. To get this icon URL, we'll straight away copy from any of the above field so that we won't get any error. So either you can select .svg or .png file, that is also fine. But in our case, just to test it and show you the demo, I'm just copying and pasting these details. Next here we'll add semicolon, and finally we have to add status color. So here exactly same, the priority color, status color, and then colon. We'll add double quotes, and this should be in hexadecimal format. I will use the same color code just to show you this informations, and here that's done. This is our complete body prepared. Let's see how it looks. We have added icon URL. Okay, maybe we'll add one here, and let me try it. Hash 675421 showing some error. So status color, maybe let me, yeah. So here in fields, we have to make sure that this should be in uppercase, then only it will work. Now, this priority is created successfully, and which we can see it from here. So we'll cancel this and it will automatically refresh this page, and here you can see REST API priority is created successfully. This is how we create the priority field. At any point of time, if you found there are too many priorities are added inside our Jira instance, so to clear it out everything, here we can specify the exact priority ID and then select method as delete and click on send. This will be deleted successfully. So that's how we can create, extract and delete any priority in Jira through REST API. So as of now, I have used throughout my demo, I've used Jira Cloud. More or less process is same. You need to just add cloud server or data center versions. Based on that, based on your domain, it will work perfectly fine. That's all from this video. If you wanted to learn more about Jira REST API or Jira, feel free to follow my both the playlist, where I've already covered more than 200 videos related to Jira REST API and Jira for Scrum Master and Project Manager. That's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the content. If you think so this will be useful, don't forget to share within your circle. And if you wanted to learn more or any topic which is not present in my channel, feel free to add the topic name based on the demand. I will be happy to create it. Thank you for watching.